Guys, so me and Livy built the Great Bloxy Bake Off set. It looks really nice, so shout out to Livy for helping me build it. So also I turned my graphics up so that's why you can see everything clearly now. But here's the outside. This is what it looks like from the top. Okay. So there's just some little trees and you go in. Automatic doors. This is the judges table. Yellow means Kyle and red means Bella. It's still kind of in progress. It still needs like microwaves and stuff. Painting. This is Kyle's side. Here's me and Livy's seats. And then thank you. Round the back here is my lovely golf cart. Mwah. Here is the interview room. Livy designed this and it's so pretty. Kyle and Bella will sit here and mine sit here from this angle, but I'm not sure yet. But yeah, that is all the set. I was going to add a needs house, but I feel like it didn't need it because there's already loads of food, coffee. You can just like wash your hands in the sink to get hygiene up. So yeah, that is the house. So I'll see you later. Okay.